Hello, Mother.
Hi. Are you making the next video?
We're going to the train station. We're going to make another video. PC building video. Well, actually,
TJ and Josh's second instalment of Let's Go to Cheshire.
yeah,
Okay.
there'll be a third. First train. Clips need to be short because my phone is going to die. I forgot to charge it. I'm such an idiot. Going to New Street. Quick update. Second train. Keeps being delayed by 2 minutes, but then it goes back. So it's like 2 minutes. No, it's not delayed. 2 minutes. No, it's not delayed. I'm being really stressed. I have a very quick run to the next stop, so I should be fine. But if it gets delayed again, I am screwed and I'm going to kill my... Last train. Almost there. No delays. Doing pretty good. Bruh. I am in the big man's house. He is playing God of War. I gave him a load of computer parts and he gave me a display and it is sick. And now we're going to stay up until like half one, he says. I don't like that.
So TJ, how's Miles Morales treating you? Would you say you're doing good at the game?
Press circle to dodge.
I think you might be in danger.
I am not in danger, Skylar. I am the danger. I am the one who knocks.
Press every single button but circle. Okay, fine.
Yo, he dodged.
We are watching YouTube and it is, what time is it? It's like almost 12.
Yeah.
I didn't usually stay up this late. Josh?
I'm enjoying some minty balls. Edward.
He's enjoying Edward's Uncle Joe's minty balls. And we're watching Memulous. We've woken up on the second day. We just need to wait until...
I just opened my eyes, get a camera on my face.
Wait until the siblings are gone and then we will start building after going to the shop door.
Jasmine has asked what we're up to today. We're building a PC.
I'm building a PC. He's being lazy. He's meant to be building it.
My back's bad, prick.
Come back. I need you.
Gotta go.
Bruh.
So we built this.
And it doesn't work.
Oh! It works! Oh my god! We captured it on film! Oh my god!
It booted. Is this how long it usually takes?
No.
The screen isn't set to the right resolution.
We have some work to do.
Josh, I have to leave. Josh, I have to leave. I have to leave soon. And your computer doesn't even work. I had to pay £8 for a new bar and I'm gonna have to walk him through it on call. Is this a flattering angle? No. I'm gonna kill myself. It's like another 2 months before I come back. I hate you. Josh, I cleaned out your computer. Your PlayStation. It was so dusty. It was so dusty. It was disgusting, man. I had to use a dustpan and brush just to get it out. I had to turn it upside down and shake it. It's dusty.
Have you considered what? I don't care.
It's so quiet now, Josh. Josh, we have to leave in 5 minutes.
Thank God I hate you. I'm so glad you're going. You've really annoyed me. We're on our way back to the train station. But any sadness I may have felt seeing him go is overshadowed by a steak pasty from the corner shop.
I had to pay 60 flippin' p because he didn't have enough.
You guys should try living in the
I
countryside.
can't swear anymore because my mum and dad watch these.
You guys should try
don't
living in the
wanna go.
countryside. Imagine not having steak pasties at your local corner shop.
Josh, we're going. Josh, I have to leave.
Oh no, you've recorded me. Oh, this is illegal. Yeah, but TJ, 12 bites.
No.
12 bites make...
No, but I can't come back for ages.
No, you can't come back March, isn't it?
No.
Why?
Guys, he's hitting the gritty. He's hitting the gritty, and I have to leave. I have to leave Cheshire. And
I'm
he's
so
hitting the
happy
gritty.
about him leaving.
I'm not happy. I
shocked.
almost dropped my
shocked.
suitcase. I got my display. I got my suitcase, and I'm going home. And I'm
It
not
smells
taking
like
Josh
cow
with me.
shit.
Yeah, it does.